Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX 12. Okay, let's start. First we need to create the main part sketch rectangle. So select extrude, select XY plane. Then we create rectangle. We need from center. Make dimension 80, 100. Finish. Reversed direction. The end distance is anyway. Okay. Next we need edge blend. Select these 4 edge. Radius 6 mm. Next extrude, select XY plane. And we create a rectangle. Constrain this midpoint onto X. And make dimension 12. And this 20. Finish. Reverse direction. The dimension we need to see the dimension is we find dimension 60. So 60. Boolean subject. Okay. Next we need edge blend. Next we need draft. Select this face and use edge tangent curves. Tangent curves, so this the angle is 30. Edge blend 2 mm. No, 8 mm. 8 mm. We fancy 8. It's 8 mm here. So next we need to create this pocket feature. This. So extrude, select this face. Then we create rectangle. Make dimension, constrain, and this 10 mm. The last 72. Finish. reverse direction, the dimension 10 millimeter. Okay, we need edge blend, select these two edge 5 millimeter. Okay, edge blend 2 millimeter, select these. Okay, next we need shell. The dimension 3 millimeter. No, 2 millimeter. So we need select all these face and this face. Okay, perfect. Next, create pocket feature. So, oh sorry, finish. We need select this face and create a rectangle. Constrain this middle point onto this and make dimension 10 millimeter. Long enough, and this, sorry, three millimeter. Finish. Okay, wrong. We need false value unit until extent. Select this subject. Okay, next edge blend the two edge 3 millimeter and these two edge is 3 millimeter. Next we need to create this pocket feature. So actually select this face and create constrain this point onto Y. Dimension 5 millimeter and this mm, 3.5 8. Finish. Sorry, we need trimmed sketch. Finish. Subject. Okay. Next we need to create these two hole. Create hole. And the hole is 2 millimeter. Select this center, arc center, arc center. Okay. Change the appearance. You see, we're quickly finishing the part. Nice. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.